Okay, so we had the question regarding how to use ThemeMaker with a specific science complex sentence and concept. So the sentence that we were given was, exothermic changes are physical and chemical changes which occur in response to heat being released from an element. So the first thing we want to do is figure out what text structure, what expository text structure that sentence is. So these are the expository text structures here: description, compare and contrast, list, sequence, cause and effect, problem solution, persuasion, and argument. So the microstructure clues that we have to tell us which text structure we're going to be looking at are a couple here. First of all, the word changes. If something changes, we're either going to be talking about a cause and effect, because if something changes, it was something before and now it's something after, and something caused that to happen. Or it's going to be a compare and contrast, comparing what it was before and what it was after. Or a change also could come under problem solution, because that change could be a problem. For example, something like climate change, the word change, and we know that that is often a problem, which also could become the subject or topic of an argument. So we've kind of narrowed it down to this part. We know it's not list, sequence, or description, at least at this point. The second microstructure clue that we have is the phrase in response to. We could replace that with because of or as a result of, and the sentence's meaning is still there. And those are microstructure clues found in cause-effect. So because of those microstructure clues, we can determine that this sentence and this concept is going to come under cause and effect. So our topic is exothermic changes, and the cause is the physical and chemical changes to an element. The effect is the energy to be released from the element in the form of heat or light. Now, in order for us to have come up with this mini lesson, we had to actually research what exothermic changes are to be sure that what we are learning from this sentence is what we are explaining with the ThemeMaker magnets on this whiteboard. So if we put together this sentence, the topic being exothermic changes, we can say exothermic changes are physical and chemical changes to an element that cause energy to be released from the element in the form of heat. And here is the macro structure of the text structure, of the expository text structure. And then again, at the bottom, we have the microstructure, which are the words and the clues and the cohesion words that help us to determine the text structure. The next thing that would be helpful in this would be an example, such as making an ice cube or lighting a match or lighting a candle, which are exothermic changes. And that would be a way to kind of bring this lesson to life. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.